Hello, my fellow citizens of America and others across the globe. This is the Architect, speaking on behalf of Anonymous. 17 days remain.
A single nuclear weapon today could kill millions in just minutes. Just one of these nuclear bombs would vaporize everything at its core. The shockwave would crush structures miles away, killing and maiming countless people.
एटमी फॉल्स फ्लैग ऑपरेशन की खबरें एक नहायत खतरनाक मोड़ पर पहुंच चुकी हैं। एक अमेरिकी हैकर कलेक्शन के सरबराह ने एक चौंका देने वाला इंकशाफ किया है कि इसके हाथ कुछ सीक्रेट फाइल्स लगी हैं, जिनसे पता चलता है कि एक भयानक न्यूक्लियर फॉल्स फ्लैग ऑपरेशन की मुकम्मल तैयारी हो चुकी है।
We have acquired verified information that a major attack is being planned on domestic soil. It will be brutal, it will be visible, and it will be blamed on a foreign faction, one from the Middle East. But that is a lie.